Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Okay, you have created a project or an animation and want to export it with a transparent background, that is, without a background. It is very simple. With the composition that we want to export open, we go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue. In the Output module, we choose the QuickTime format. Then we enter the format options and select Animation. Once this is done, we go to Channels and select RGB plus Alpha. We give the file a name and save it in the desired place. And ready! We can now click on Render. We must import it with our favorite editing software, After Effects, Premiere Pro, etc. We drag it over a composition with a background, and if we preview, voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.